by night, watching sheep for the sacrifice. Another boring night in Bethlehem. Whoa. Can you visualize? Jumped on the angel, appeared for the first time. What could it be? Was it gonna get it outside? It was all so crazy. Shepherds thought it was amazing. The angel said, "Don't be afraid, I bring you good news of great joy for all the people." That's when the angel told him about the baby boy, and the angel choir came on, and the angel choir came on, and the angel choir came on. So they put their hands up, rejoicing and tone as the fiddles just went away. Glory to God, oh yeah, in the highest, oh yeah. Sing peace on earth, goodwill to men, Jesus was born this day. Yeah, it's a party in the sky today. Yeah, it's a party in the sky today. A baby is born today in the city of Bethlehem. A Savior, he is Christ the Lord, is what the angel said to them.